Ever wish your everyday spending could secretly be building your investment portfolio? What if every time you bought groceries, filled up your tank, or ordered takeout, you weren't just spending money, but actually earning money that then went to work for you, growing your wealth in the background? Sounds like a financial superpower, right? Well, with M1 Finance, and specifically their owner's rewards card, it's not a fantasy. It's a very real, tangible way to integrate your spending with your investing goals, turning ordinary purchases into extraordinary opportunities for financial growth. For too long, the world of credit card rewards has been largely separate from the world of investing. You earn points, miles, or generic cashback, and then you manually decide what to do with it. Maybe you redeem it for a statement credit, or save up for a trip. All good, all fine. But what if there was a way to automatically leverage those rewards to fuel your long-term financial aspirations? M1 Finance, with its unique approach to integrated finance, set out to bridge this gap. They recognized that for many people, the friction of manually transferring rewards into an investment account was enough to deter them from consistently doing so. And consistency, as we all know, is key to successful investing. So, they created a system designed to make that connection seamless, almost effortless. At its core, M1 Finance is about automation and intelligent investing. They believe your money should work harder for you, and that you should have the tools to make that happen without constant manual intervention. This philosophy extends directly to their cashback program. It's not just about getting money back, it's about getting money back and immediately putting it to work, aligning your spending habits with your financial future. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to maximize their earning potential and ensure every dollar, even those earned back from everyday purchases, is contributing to their long-term wealth accumulation. Now, before we dive deep into the mechanics, let's set the stage. M1 Finance isn't just a credit card company. It's a comprehensive financial platform that offers automated investing, borrowing, and spending features all under one roof. The owner's rewards card is designed to integrate deeply with this ecosystem, making it a powerful tool for existing M1 users and an attractive proposition for those considering joining the platform. Understanding this holistic approach is crucial to truly appreciating the value of their cashback program. It's not a standalone credit card, it's a piece of a larger, interconnected financial puzzle designed to optimize your money management. So, how do you unlock this financial superpower? How do you get M1 Finance cashback and turn your spending into a perpetual wealth-building machine? Let's break it down, step by step, so you can start leveraging this unique offering to its fullest potential. The cornerstone of M1 Finance's cashback program is the owner's rewards card by M1. This isn't just any credit card, it's specifically engineered to complement M1's investing platform. The key differentiator here is how it ties your spending directly to your investment portfolio. First and foremost, to even consider the owner's rewards card, you'll need an M1 Finance account. While the card doesn't have an annual fee in itself, to unlock its full potential, particularly the higher cashback tiers, you'll want to be an M1 Plus member. M1 Plus is a paid annual membership that enhances your entire M1 experience, offering benefits across M1 Invest, M1 Spend, and M1 Borrow. Without M1 Plus, you're limited to a base cashback rate, which, while still decent, doesn't capture the true essence and benefit of the owner's rewards program. Think of M1 Plus as the key that unlocks the accelerated cashback tiers. It's an investment in itself, but for many, the enhanced rewards and other M1 Plus perks easily justify the cost. Once you have your M1 account and are considering M1 Plus, the next step is applying for the owner's rewards card. The application process is generally straightforward, similar to other credit card applications. M1 will conduct a soft credit pull initially to determine your eligibility, and if provisionally approved, a hard inquiry will follow if you accept the offer. It's important to be aware of how this might affect your credit score, as with any new credit application. Now, let's get to the juicy part, how the cashback actually works. M1 Finance's owner's rewards card operates on a tiered cashback system, offering different reward percentages based on where you spend. The baseline is a 1.5% cashback on all eligible purchases. This is your standard, across-the-board rate for anything that doesn't fall into the higher tiers. It's a solid, competitive rate for a general-purpose cashback card, but the real power lies in the tiered rewards. Where the owner's rewards card truly shines is with its accelerated cashback tiers, 2.5%, 5%, and even 10% cashback. These higher rates are earned when you spend at select merchants. What makes this truly unique to M1 is that these select merchants are often well-known, popular brands. The genius behind this is that M1 aims to align your spending with companies you might already be invested in or could consider investing in. While owning stock in these specific companies isn't strictly required to earn the higher cashback, the concept subtly encourages a connection between your consumer habits and your investment portfolio. It's about becoming an owner in more ways than one. The list of eligible merchants and their respective cashback tiers can change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the most current information directly on the M1 Finance website or within your M1 app. However, historically, these tiers have included popular categories like groceries, streaming services, ride-sharing, food delivery, and various retail brands. Imagine earning 10% back on your Netflix subscription simply by using your M1 card. That's essentially getting a discount on a service you already use, and then having that discount automatically invested. There are a few crucial details to understand about these tiered rewards. M1 Plus membership is key. As mentioned, the elevated cashback tiers, 2.5%, 5%, and 10%, are generally exclusive to M1 Plus members. Without M1 Plus, you're typically limited to the base 1.5% cashback. This is a significant incentive to consider the membership if maximizing your cashback is a priority. Monthly cap. There is a monthly cap on rewards. This is a critical point. M1 Finance typically caps the total cashback you can earn across all tiers at a certain amount per calendar month. Historically, this has been $200. This means that once you hit that $200 threshold, you won't earn additional cashback for the rest of that month, regardless of your spending. This cap is something you'll want to factor into your spending strategy, especially if you're a high spender. For most everyday users, however, reaching this cap might not be a frequent occurrence, allowing them to benefit from the higher tiers consistently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.